Or that's too shameless. Everybody bet it.
No, that's.
Oh, everyone's gonna end soon. We can just be the last one and get a couple rings.
Should we go ask Pokimane real quick?
Give her back what you stole.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Hey, we just wanted to come back and we got a gift for you actually.
Wait, first,
Oh,
you
nice
guys
to meet
should
you, bro.
This is Annie.
Oh, Annie.
This is Arky and Mitch.
Je m'appelle Arky.
Arky, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Et toi? Ali? Ali, bah, nice to meet you.
I love the hair, the outfit. It's good, bro.
Thank you, bro.
What's up?
No,
Oh, we bought you a gift.
Yeah, we got you a gift. This is
Your
your million.
your YouTube plaque.
This is your million YouTube plaque. I want to give it
Guys,
to you.
this was in the room, but it says Matthew Beam.
Matthew
Do I
Beam.
look like Matthew Beam?
Oh, I might have gave.
Oh, that might have been the wrong one we sold.
Yeah, I gave you the
Matthew
wrong.
Beam.
Okay, we'll go get yours. But can we get the offline raid?
You're not even streaming, are you? Oh, you are streaming. Guys,
on a
Arky
direct.
wants a raid. Oh, that's
Yeah,
my
yeah.
chat. Win them over. Win them over.
Oh shit.
Mais pourquoi c'est flou comme ça ta caméra?
Oh, don't. Okay, so the camera, it only
It's
focuses
blue.
ici. C'est juste ici que c'est pas bleu. Donc ici ça va. Hi! How are you? French streamer.
Guys, look, I know.
Ils veulent raid.
Yeah,
Tu
even
sais
a
c'est
raid.
quoi?
Oh, Yana, you think I get the raid too?
Ta chaîne?
Il veut que j'envoie tous mes viewers à lui.
Ah, donc tu coupes ton stream.
Exactement.
Et tu vas le faire?
Je lui ai dit si tu peux convaincre mon chat.
Ah ouais?
Be professional.
Yana said I should get the raid.
Oh really?
Des gars.
W, Yana.
You know what? Convince the chat and convince
Okay.
Yana. Ah, your name's so cute.
Ah, elle aussi, elle va raid?
Non, il a dit qu'elle veut que je le fasse. Elle a dit, hey, je fais pas partie de ça.
Ah, ok.
On verra.
I'll be back. I'll bring
Bien
you
sûr.
another gift
Oh,
for the room. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mick is a good hype guy.
Is it okay if I hang with you?
Girl, duh.
Yes,
You
what,
see,
what
it's
is
all
your name?
girls.
Yeah. Let's go. Good idea.
See, it's all
Let's go
girls.
steal something from maybe we steal something from Ludwig's room.
Yeah, let's still play from Ludwig's room. Bring the Poke's room.